Right guys, so we're back in the Wacker Neuson 901E Bobcat. Awesome little thing that she is. And just thought I'd show you from the inside what she's all about. Now, one of my favourite things is you leave the throttle there. You don't actually have to set it. You can, but you don't have to. This folds two ways, like so. It's got a park brake, a unlock so you can use the machine, a blade float mode, flashy lights and work lights and light bars and stuff like that. Now, one of my favourite things about this machine itself, it's got this nice four-way bucket on it at the moment, which you can easily clamp and unclamp whenever you feel like it. And it's single stick pilot style control. Which means I can just quite happily one-handed drive. Then it's got a second speed down here. Puts it in rabbit mode. It actually gets along quite nice. My favourite thing about the throttle pedal is you don't have to always be revving it. You can just cruise around. Especially in rabbit mode, you stick it in second gear and just cruise. Still finding rocks in here everywhere. It's not a bad thing. Rocks are like pay dirt in this job. Yeah, it's quite nice to drive. Like that's at idle. Idle in rabbit speed. And you can cruise around like that. Bit hard to steer in rabbit mode when you're not going fast. Yeah, she just ticks along. And that's like half a cubic metre in that bucket. It's quite a substantial scoop that she takes. We go and put it over there and we just keep leveling stuff out. You might remember the block had a ginormous mound of dirt there. It's not very big now. That was basically where the tyre marks are there. That whole thing was a giant mound, so that's basically gone. We did a bit of that with the Bobcat, the ASV Posi track, and we've done some. Well, we've done most of it with this. This has done a magic job. Like I say, like that's half a cubic metre, basically every scoop. It's 0.45. Level, and look at that, like that's how much it will hold. So much weight. It's basically what I'm doing now is just going straight through here and just leveling over the top of all these rocks and crap through here. They're going to get a bit of a shock when they have to get a huge machine in here to develop this block, sadly. They're going to want a 20 to run their services, I reckon, or a 5 with a breaker, because everywhere you dig, like there's a big rock reef in here. Over here I haven't found as many, there's not that many there. Where's Stephen? He's there. There's Stephen all the way down there. 10 times zoom to find him. He's just down there plucking rocks out left, right and centre for the landscape and rock side gig. The big fire up there. It's burnt through a lot of what we had up there, which is good. There's rocks still through this. I don't know how to time effectively filter them out. All the big ones that I'm getting, that one's pretty big, that's a rock. I'm trying to keep, they're all in a line over there near the van. They're all lined lined up. Oh, look across there. Waiting on the tree fella to arrive today so we can make a plan for the rest of the trees. But yeah, it's pretty serious, this little Bobcat. So it's a 50 kilowatt. So what's that, like 78 horsepower, something like that. So yeah, 80 horsepower Bobcat, 75 horsepower Bobcat, somewhere there. And I really like it. It's a 901E. UHF in it. Don't really use it, but I should get a handheld, then I can talk to Stephen. Top facing exhaust that blows that way. Could bring the grease gun and give her a hit with the grease gun later. And I'll make a video about showing you where all the grease points are. But like, if you're in the market for a Bobcat, one of these Wackers is a good thing. Friends down at On-Road Off-Road Training in Hobart deal these beasts, so if you ever want one, that's where you go. But yeah, I'll make some more videos showing you more about it soon. Thanks for watching. Got some dirt to move. Catch you in the next one.